Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. This is my Yamaha TRBX174EW natural mango wood 4-string bass guitar. Let me tell you the story of this guitar. After I got all my shopping done for Christmas 2020, I had a little money left over. So I decided to treat myself to something musical. I strolled into a local pawn store and saw this bass hanging on the wall. I asked the guy behind the counter, "What is the cash and carry price on that bass?" He said $159 plus tax. I said, okay. Since my studio was only 10 minutes away, I decided to go there and do a little research on the instrument and decide even if I wanted another bass. The new price on this bass is anywhere from $225 to $250. This particular guitar is in nearly new condition, so I decided to go back and get it. Luckily, it was still there. So I bought it, took it back to my studio where I cleaned it, restrung it, and did a quick setup. The fret ends needed a little filing to give it a nice smooth feel on the neck, so I did that too. This is a nice looking bass that is easy to play and has a nice tone. You will certainly see it from time to time in my upcoming bass tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.